Okay, so 3 centimeters times 1.5 will give me 4.5. So on my paper, instead of drawing every 3 centimeters, it'll be every 4.5. So my bottom was 17. I times that by 1.5. That will give me 25.5. And the side was 19. So when I do that calculation, which apparently it doesn't want to do right now, 19 times 1.5 will give me 28.5 down the sides. All right, so that's the amount. And I'm going to keep that there in front of me so that I've got my measurements and I know where I'm going. Okay, so I've got the paper. I'm going to start by putting out. Now notice I'm not going from the edge. I'm going to leave a gap around the edge. It allows just for a bit of mistake. So 25.5 along the bottom. 0. I'm going to go to 25.5. Okay. Turn it around. I know now I'm going for 28.5. So lining up the ruler, trying to make sure that that's straight. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing again. Here I'm going to 28.5 again. Okay, that's actually not quite accurate. Rats, I've gone to 26. Never mind. I can fix that. It's gone a bit wide. Fractionally wide there. I can fix that up. Alright, now to put the grid on. So you're going to go, remember our calculations was 3 times 1.5, so we're increasing everything just by a bit, so it's 4.5, so 4.5, we'll go to 9, 4.5, 2, 3, 4.5, and again you'll have a short bit at the end. I'm going to slide my ruler up and do the same thing. So 4.5. Okay, and I should be able to connect. Now when I draw these grid lines, I'm not going to press down very hard. So you're going to paint over them, and I don't really want them to show when I paint. So not too strong. You want to be able to rub them out later on. Okay, now same thing down the side. Okay, so if I remember, my short side was this, so I'm going to start my measuring from the left. Try and be consistent, it's easier. So same thing again, 4.5. Okay. Okay, you'll end up like that. Same thing again. Sliding the ruler up. 4.5. If you do make a mistake, don't worry. erase, remeasure, not a problem. Notice that I'm doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have a mistake. What have I done? 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's happened here? Figure this one out. And connect not too hard with the grid lines. And here, that's where I've mismeasured. I've done 3.5 up here, so try that again. 4.5. That makes more sense. Okay, now I've got my grid. On the painting paper, I have my original image to work from. Now what you can do is start transposing this onto this and using this to guide you. So for example, the top of my head, it's about here at number 3 and kind of in the F block, not too far down. So you might want to number again. It can help. So I know the top of my head, it's kind of up here. And then I can go down. Notice I'm just sketching very lightly. The side of my face comes in along the line number 1 here. So it's going to do the same here. Okay, and that's what you need to do. Block in the basic shapes, and you can also start blocking in the value areas. So where it's dark and where it's light. If you want, on your grid paper, on your image, your printed image, you can draw lines around the areas that are shaded or not shaded. Okay, that can also help to block in the areas. So my chin is just below line B. And along sort of between 2 and 3. So, I know my chin is about here. And I'll go from 3, it's going to cut across. The grid will just help you stay on track and keep everything in the right place. Okay, all right.